Hi viewers, I've been trying to find one of the gold coins with this design on for quite some years now, and it was only produced in the 1 ounce version, which I was happy to buy, but couldn't find the damn things anywhere. Just so hard to find. I could have imported one, but the premiums were just insane. And then in 2018 they released a 1/4 ounce version, which of course is equally as hard to find. But anyway, we'll get straight on with the unboxing so you can see what it is. And on this occasion I'll be using the Smith & Wesson, and as you can see the box is addressed to me, CCT, and you might guess what country it's from by that writing there. Anyway, let's get on and do it. I'm very excited because, like I said, I've been trying to get one of these for some years with this design, and it's just been impossible. And I think you may realise where it's come from now. It's certainly a good clue. Lots of paper there. And in the bottom a little package which I'm very, very excited about. I've always been a bit of a non-conformist and liked unusual things, and this is certainly not an easy coin to find here. I don't know whether you can get them in the US, but and here we have it. The 1/4 ounce gold George and the Dragon. I was hoping to get Igor to assist me on this video. He's packaged it nicely there with a bit of tissue to stop it rattling, so I'll take that out so we can see the coin. Beautiful capsule as well, I must say. And there it is, the stylised George and the Dragon. Yeah, as I was saying, I was hoping to get Igor to assist me with this video because Russian is his third language. Some of you already know that. But he's had to relocate for work, so not available. So what a awesome design. Some of you may have seen that I do have a few of these. That design in silver, and in Russia it is known as George the Victorious because he obviously slayed the dragon. And finally I get to get one in gold, which is amazing. These have a mintage of 500,000, I think, and they're 3 nines pure, weighing 7.89 grams, and so pleased to have that. Yeah, I do love that capsule. And he also sent me a little gift, which is like the one I just showed you, but I think it's probably a different year, is it? No, it's 2018, which I think is what I had there, was it? Oh no, I had 2015. It is a different year, yeah. And there you go, so there's the silver version. I just love the simplicity of it, you know, the plain fields and just St. George on his horse and the dragon. Just an awesome design, and obviously it, the reason I really wanted it is it reminds me of the British gold sovereign, which, as you can see, George on his horse there slaying the dragon, and this is like a stylised version of that. Well, let's do it in the gold. Let's do it in the gold. What a beautiful coin. And that goes with my collection of Russian gold, for those of you who haven't seen it on my channel before. Now, a couple of these I picked up at the LCS, and very, very cheap some years ago. This is the 10 rubles with Emperor Nikolai II. And this is the 10 rubles, which weighs 8.6 grams, which I think has 7.74 grams of gold in it, so just under 1/4 of an ounce. And then these, a couple of dates, 1898 and 1899, are the 5 rubles. And these are just under 1/10 of an ounce, 3.87 grams of gold in each one, and they weigh 4.3 grams, I think. And interesting, they have, I don't know if I can get it to show, let's have a look. Where's the goddamn coin? They have a little edge detail on them, which I can't really, oh, it does kind of show up there. And the 10 ruble has an inscription, which I think, when I looked at it earlier, I think it does actually have the gold weight on the edge. I think that's what I read. Probably got it the wrong way, but yeah, it has an edge inscription there. Not very good with the loop and this camera. My old camera was better. But anyway, so I'm absolutely over the moon to get one of these in my stack, and thanks to the Silver Stacking Academy for hooking me up with one of these. And I'll leave a link to his Instagram down in the channel. He obviously does have a YouTube channel, but it is in Russian. Birdie's Instagram is not. And I've been dealing with him for many years, or quite a few years now. I don't know about many, but several years now. So it was no issue doing this little bit of business with him. So to enable me to get one of these. Maybe one day I'll get the 1 ounce. Such a beautiful design. Anyway, I'll leave you with the Russian silver ballerinas. Another silver Russian coin that I have in my stack. And catch you all on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.